Guys, this is a coffee grinder. Very old. This is a very old compass. 1875. Very, quite heavy. North is over there, guys. Check this out. Inner time is limitless from past lives. Can no longer remember, only feel. Time flows, and around me a continuum moves and swirls, engulfing me, and moves majestically beyond my inner sign or imagination. This time is immense, a celestial sphere. Yet it does not forget me, does not neglect me. It embraces me. I am part of its verity, and it is part of mine. My life flows, it flows. Doland, London. Amazing. Look at this one now, guys.
I'll just take my bike to work. How many times have you said that? But then you gotta get to work, so you gotta spend the $5. And then keep on and on. Wait, let me just see something.
Stay blessed, my people. You are over my command. You will do what I want when I need it. I'm joking. Bless you guys.